Hello everyone. If you have ever wanted to turn a simple photo into a stylish broken glass style design that instantly grab attention, this tutorial is for you. Today, I will show you how to fragment any photo using shapes in PowerPoint. It's look advanced, but trust me, it's incredibly simple once you learn these steps. Let's get started. First, select round a rectangle and drag it to create the main shape. Now, open the rotation option and increase the height, width, and rotation value until you get a nice tilted shape. Duplicate this shape two more times and place them side by side. Make another duplicate and keep it aside. We will use it later. Next, select the three main shapes, go to Merge Shape and choose Union to combine them into one. Now, insert rectangle, place it over the Union shape and select both the rectangle and the union shape. Open Merge Shape again and select Fragment. Delete the pieces you don't want. Move the remaining fragments to the back. Now, select the extra shape. Increase its size. Place it on one side. Then, select it along with a rectangle and apply Fragment again. Delete the unwanted section. Once your fragments are ready, apply picture or texture fill. Add outer shadow and reduce the transparency to make the fragments look realistic. Select all and remove the outline. Also choose clean background color to complete the layout. Add your title text on top. Now, click on slideshow to see your beautiful fragmented photo design come alive. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you transform a simple picture into a modern artistic fragmented design perfect for posters, thumbnails, covers, or presentation slides. This effect is easy, creative, and adds instant premium look to your work. If you enjoy this tutorial and want more creative PowerPoint effects like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification. Tell me in the comment what effect you want me to create next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.